In this video, I'll explain how to transfer money from a US bank account to another bank using the official mobile app so you can do it safely and without confusion. After opening the app and signing in, you'll access the menu and head to the Transfer, Deposit, and Pay section, where US Bank allows different transfer options depending on your account setup. Choosing external or bank-to-bank transfers lets you send money to another linked bank account, and in some cases you may also see wire or payment options. You'll be asked to select the account you're sending money from, choose the destination account, and enter the transfer amount before reviewing everything carefully. For security reasons, US Bank typically requires identity verification, such as a one-time code, before the transfer is completed. Processing times can vary based on whether the external account is already verified and whether the transfer is standard or expedited. Always double-check account numbers and amounts before confirming, as transfers may not be reversible once sent. Using the official app helps ensure your transaction stays secure and properly tracked. Subscribe for more clear, beginner-friendly banking tutorials that make managing money easier.